देखिए आज जो है इंडिया भी सेमीफाइनल जीत गई है ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अगेंस्ट में, तो क्या कहेंगे उसके बारे में आप? और
देखिए बहुत खुश हूँ। इंडिया सेमीफाइनल जीती है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ फाइनल में आई है। पूरी टीम को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ और आई एम श्योर दे विल डू वेल इन द फाइनल्स।
Beating Australia in a knockout game, ICC knockout game after a gap of 11 years, how different is it? How big is it for the team itself? Because we know what happened in 23 World Cup final and then this. How big is this an occasion for the Indian team?
I'm sure team must be thinking about जो पास्ट में हुआ है which is gone. Team must be thinking about the present and उनका आज मकसद यही था कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हम हरा है, सेमीफाइनल में और फाइनल में जाए। ऑब्वियसली जो पास्ट में हुआ था वो कहीं ना कहीं माइंड में प्ले करते रहता है, बट एज अ क्रिकेटर, एज अ प्लेयर, योर माइंड इज ऑलवेज इन द मोमेंट, ऑलवेज इन द प्रेजेंट टू डू वेल इन दैट गेम and to win that match. So I'm happy that India won the match against Australia and they are into the finals.
And what's your opinion on this continuous criticism of the scheduling of the tournament? In the sense that people have been saying that India have kind of got it their way, but at the same time you also have to go out every single day, perform and win the match. You have to play according to the situations. You have to apply yourself. So is it fair, unfair? I mean, obviously it's unfair. What's your take on that?
I'm here to talk about online sports. Let's stick to that. I mean, I have already answered about India winning the semi-finals, so I think let's stay there. Thank you.
तो रोहित शर्मा को क्रिटिसाइज किया गया था, उन बॉडी शेमिंग की गई थी, उस पर क्या
As I said, let's talk about
questions around what we are doing and what we are.
Thank you.
You are now you are a new captain of KKR. So how the challenge is coming, because you guys are the last year's champion, but your team is looking very decent and you have played KKR in past also. So how the team is shaped up, because you guys have done one small practice session in Mumbai and you guys are having a practice in Calcutta just recent. So how you guys are shaping up, because of ऐसे तो माकूम खत्म हो गया, अभी क्रिकेट का माकूम बन रहा है।
First of all, I'm really honored to be the captain of KKR team. I would like to thank the KKR management and everyone, owners and everyone, to giving me that responsibility as a captain. And as you mentioned, our team is really good. Everyone's playing really well. We had our camp just now in Mumbai. All the players were looking really good. All the domestic players were here, but all the international players, they are playing at this moment, so which is a very good thing. Last year, as you mentioned, we won the championship, but again, this year it's all about starting from the scratch, starting from zero. And T20 is a funny format. IPL, we all know it's a challenging tournament. So, firstly, I'm really, as I mentioned, happy and humbled to be the captain of KKR team. But I think we would just like to keep it really simple, take one game at a time and staying in the moment, and basically enjoy this format.
I think your heartiest congratulations on being appointed the captain. You had a fabulous domestic season. The Mustaq Ali, you're in terrific form. So how do you, would you be carrying that form? How is it? How are you viewing the upcoming IPL for KKR as the captain?
No, as I said, really happy to be the captain of KKR team. I'm really grateful and really humble. And for me personally, batting wise, I'm doing really well. As you mentioned, Mustaq Ali was really good for me. Domestic season, I had a very good domestic season. So I'm really confident about myself. It's just about staying in the moment, staying calm, and just keep backing my game. Not to think too much ahead, and not to think too much about my past. It's always about the keep improving about my game, and just want to enjoy my game in this format.
What is clicking? What are you working out more in terms of your returns, in terms of number of runs you have scored?
For me, personally, sort of format. See, I'm just looking to enjoy my game. The way I used to bat in my earlier days, I'm just going back to that method. Previously, in between the franchisee which I played for, I mentioned this before, that my role was different in those franchisee. It was always about being an anchor, and others will play around me. But last 2-3 years, it's always about playing with freedom, fearless cricket, and just go out there and back my game. I'm just trying to do that, I know. But most importantly, it's always about the hard work, following my process, following my routines, and staying loyal and truthful to the game.